Stepping in from the boulevard, a tile foyer meets stairs that run up to the laminate flooring, running the entire main floor. Dramatic black quartz countertops contrast white shaker cabinets surrounding stainless steel appliances. There's plenty of room for a kitchen table or home office in front of the picture window and glass sliding doors that open up to the ample west-facing sun deck, overlooking mature landscaping and a small playground and not facing any other home. The large dining room has space for family gatherings and leads to a bright living room with natural morning light flooding in from the southeast. Upstairs, the primary bedroom has double closets leading to an incredible ensuite with a glass-enclosed shower opposite the double vanity sink and wall-to-wall mirror. The second and third bedrooms sit on the opposite side of the hall and share the main bathroom with a quartz-capped vanity and soaker tub surrounded by floor-to-ceiling subway tiles. The double-car tandem garage allows for a flex space that opens up to the back patio and fenced yard bordered by treetops. This incredible location is only a 5-minute walk to Royal Oak Skytrain and Burnaby South Secondary. Local amenities, Metrotown, restaurants, and shopping surround this incredible locale.